let us go with the third one, right? A number that must be subtracted from 925564 to make it equal to the sum of 234251 plus 352421. What they are asking is, we are supposed to subtract a number from this number, right? What is that? Is let the number be x, let the number be x, let the number be x. Now, so we are supposed to subtract from 9,25,564 minus x, so that it equals to the sum of 234251 plus 352421. Let me add here 925564 minus x is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, so 5 plus 2 is 7, right? 2 plus 4 is 6, right? 4 plus 2 is 6 again, so 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 3 5. Now transfer this side, so this will become x is equal to 925564 minus 586672. So if you subtract this, you are going to get the answer. So let me subtract. If you find difficult to subtract horizontally, go with the vertical subtraction, that is 925564 minus 586672. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 6 minus 7 is not possible. Take a carry from this. 16 minus 7 is 9. Right? Now this will become 4. 4 minus 6 is not possible. So take a carry from this. This will become 4 and 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 4 minus 6 is again not possible. Take a carry from this. This will become 1 and this will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8 again. So this is 1 minus 8 is not possible. Take a carry from this. This will become 8 and this will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer is 338892. 338892. The answer here is C. Option C is the right answer.